Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video. As you can see, my hair is so nice, so healthy, and like bomb and everything. So my hair is still short, guys. This is just a ponytail. Isn't it cute though? Like, it's so adorable. I love it. Today I'm actually going to be talking about this ponytail right here that I got sent by Irresistible Me. So yeah, let's get started. This is how the ponytail looks. Isn't it so freaking awesome? Like, I love it. I always wanted my hair to be long, you know. Bless you, mama. So I always wanted my hair to be long and like nice and healthy. Right now my hair's a mess. So I did dye my hair, and I dyed it like a dark brown, kind of like my natural hair color. I decided to re-dye it just because it was going to be the last time I dye my hair, because my hair is so damaged, like I said. So I went with this color. It's like a dark black. It's like dark black brown, if that makes sense. So first of all, I did cut it first, and then I dyed it, and then I dyed the ponytail the same color. That way it matched. So that's why my hair looks really nice and healthy, because I have the ponytail on. This ponytail I got sent by Irresistible Me, like I said, and the one that I got is this one. Let me show you right now on my phone. So this is how the ponytail looked before I dyed it. So this one is called Golden Blonde and number 14. So right now they are having a sale. So as you can see, this one was $99. Now it's up to $69.30. This one's so pretty, guys. I like this one. This is cute. It's like a really natural brown color. It's cute. It's called chocolate brown. So yeah, if you guys want to keep watching how I applied my ponytail and how I style it, then keep on watching. So you will need a scrunchie and some bobby pins. I started off by doing a ponytail, of course. I like my ponytails to be messy, so I didn't, do it so perfect. So yeah, that's why I do it. And I do have a lot of like baby hairs, so I didn't mind. It was whatever. I mean, it looks cute either way. So yeah, I just did myself a ponytail. So the ponytail that I got is in 18 inches, so it's not like so long nor so short. So yeah, as you could see, it does come with like two little, I don't know what you call those, like string thingies, and I feel like it was too long, so I kind of cut a little bit, not so much, because I am going to use that to like wrap around the ponytail. That way it could be really nice and tight. So yeah, you will see me doing that right now. So as you could see, the ponytail does come with this clip, and what I did was just kind of applied it inside my ponytail, if that makes sense. Oh my god, this is hard to explain, but you see what I'm doing right now. And then with those two little string thingies, I just kind of wrapped it around my hair, and I made sure it was really nice and tight, like I said. That way my ponytail could be really, secure and will not fall out whatsoever. So yeah. So then I did grab a little bit of my hair, well, not my hair, but the ponytail, and I did kind of wrap that little piece around my ponytail. That way the strings wouldn't show, or my hair tie won't show. So yeah, guys, you will see me doing that right now. And yeah, it was pretty easy actually, and it looks so freaking cute. So once I was done with that, I did went ahead and I applied a bobby pin on my hair. That way it could like be really nice and secure and will not fall out. So yeah. So I did tease my ponytail a little bit, just to give my ponytail a little bit more volume, and then I went ahead and added one more clip. So yeah, I think that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So my final review on the ponytail is that I like it. I really like it. I just love how it came out when I dyed it, and I can't wait to wear it more often when I'm on the go, when I go to school, when I go out on a date with my husband. When you do a ponytail and like in general, like, and you have it all day and you have a lot of hair, you know that your head gets heavy and like it hurts. So I did wear this ponytail the other day all day, and towards the end of the day I'm like, oh my god, I need to take it off because like my head is already kind of hurting. And it's cool because I just kind of like unclip it and I just kind of put it away, and that's it. So that's another thing I like. So it's so easy to take off and to put away. Like I said, I'll link all the information down below for you guys to go check them out. They have so many different colors. So if they don't have your hair color on the website, you could always purchase like a blonde one or like a light brown. You could always dye it. That way it could really match your hair color. So yeah, that's what I did with mine. Let me know your thoughts on how you like my ponytail, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.